For many travelers, Canada is defined by two unforgettable landmarks. The soaring peaks of the Rocky Mountains and the thunderous power of Niagara Falls have become symbols recognized around the world. Yet these iconic destinations represent only a small part of one of the planet's largest and most diverse countries. Stretching from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific and north toward the Arctic, Canada spans 6 time zones and countless landscapes. Rugged coastlines, ancient forests, rolling prairies, remote islands, glacier-fed lakes, and colorful small towns reveal a nation whose greatest treasures often lie far beyond its most famous attractions. Every region tells its own remarkable story. Rather than replacing Canada's celebrated landmarks, these hidden destinations deepen the experience. They invite travelers to discover places where local traditions, spectacular scenery, and everyday life remain closely connected to the natural world. Here, the journey becomes as memorable as the destination itself. Our journey begins on the Atlantic coast in the beautifully preserved town of Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. Overlooking one of Canada's finest natural harbors, this colorful community has welcomed sailors, shipbuilders, and fishing families for centuries. Today, it remains one of the country's most picturesque coastal towns. From above, brightly painted waterfront buildings surround the sheltered harbor, while fishing boats rest peacefully beside historic wooden wharves. Beyond the town, the Atlantic Ocean stretches toward the horizon beneath dramatic skies where rugged coastline meets endless sea. Every aerial view captures the timeless character of Canada's maritime provinces. Walking through Lunenburg reveals narrow streets lined with beautifully preserved heritage buildings painted in vibrant colors. Historic churches, artisan workshops, quiet cafes, and welcoming public squares reflect a community that proudly preserves its maritime traditions while embracing modern life. The atmosphere feels both lively and wonderfully relaxed. The surrounding coastline offers equally breathtaking scenery. Rocky headlands, hidden coves, quiet beaches, and small fishing villages create one of Eastern Canada's most rewarding road trip landscapes, where every turn reveals another spectacular view of the Atlantic Ocean. Our next destination carries us further northeast to the remote beauty of Fogo Island, off the coast of Newfoundland. Isolated by the North Atlantic, this remarkable island has become known for dramatic cliffs, resilient fishing communities, and landscapes shaped by wind, waves, and generations of seafaring tradition. From above, towering sea cliffs plunge into powerful Atlantic waters, while colorful fishing stages cling to rocky shorelines, surrounded by endless ocean. Small villages appear scattered across rugged headlands beneath vast skies that seem to stretch forever. Every aerial perspective highlights the island's extraordinary sense of remoteness. Life on Fogo Island has always been closely tied to the sea. Generations of residents have adapted to one of North America's most demanding environments, creating close-knit communities where traditions remain deeply connected to fishing, craftsmanship, and the rhythms of the Atlantic. Visitors quickly sense the strength of that heritage. The island's dramatic coastline changes constantly with the seasons. During certain times of the year, towering icebergs drift south from Greenland, creating one of Canada's most spectacular natural displays as brilliant white formations glide silently past the rugged shoreline. Nature provides an unforgettable performance. Our journey now turns west towards southern Alberta, arriving at the magnificent landscapes of Waterton Lakes National Park. Often overshadowed by the better-known national parks further north, Waterton offers towering mountains, crystal-clear lakes, abundant wildlife, and remarkably peaceful scenery where the prairies meet the Rockies. From above, emerald lakes shimmer beneath rugged mountain peaks, while dense forests blanket the valleys below. Winding roads follow dramatic shorelines as waterfalls, alpine meadows, and broad grasslands create breathtaking contrasts between mountain and prairie landscapes. Every aerial view reveals one of Canada's most spectacular hidden regions. Wildlife thrives throughout this remarkable landscape. Deer, bighorn sheep, elk, and countless bird species roam freely across forests and open valleys, reminding visitors that nature remains the dominant force shaping the region. The quiet beauty encourages travelers to slow down and simply observe. Our final destination in this stage of the journey brings us to Charlevoix, Quebec, where rolling hills descend gracefully toward the mighty St. Lawrence River. Picturesque villages, dramatic coastlines, and fertile countryside combine to create one of Eastern Canada's most beautiful landscapes. From above, winding rivers flow toward the vast St. Lawrence, while forests blanket rounded hills surrounding charming villages with church spires rising above colorful rooftops. Scenic roads trace the coastline beneath dramatic cliffs, revealing a region where nature and culture exist in remarkable harmony. Looking across Lunenburg, Fogo Island, Waterton Lakes, and Charlevoix, one truth becomes beautifully clear. Beyond the Rockies and Niagara lies a Canada filled with extraordinary landscapes, welcoming communities, and unforgettable journeys that many travelers have yet to discover. As our journey continues across Canada, the landscapes become even more remote and extraordinary. Beyond the country's famous mountains and waterfalls lie windswept islands, Arctic tundra, peaceful lake shores, and ancient forests that reveal the immense diversity of the world's second-largest nation. Every region offers a completely different perspective on Canada's natural beauty. Our next destination is Haida Gwaii, a remote archipelago off the coast of British Columbia. Surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, these islands are home to ancient temperate rainforests, dramatic coastlines, and one of North America's richest indigenous cultural landscapes. The islands feel wonderfully isolated from the modern world. From above, towering evergreen forests extend to rugged sea cliffs, while secluded beaches curve beneath turquoise water. Small islands scatter across the Pacific as mist drifts through dense rainforest beneath endless skies. Every aerial view captures the raw beauty of Canada's western frontier. Haida Gwaii has long been shaped by the traditions of the Haida people, whose deep connection with the land and sea continues to define the character of the islands. Ancient cedar forests, coastal villages, and remarkable cultural heritage combine to create a destination unlike anywhere else in Canada. Nature and history exist side by side. Our journey now heads north to the remarkable town of Churchill, located on the shores of Hudson Bay in Manitoba. Far removed from Canada's major cities, Churchill is surrounded by Arctic tundra, where changing seasons create one of the country's most extraordinary natural environments. From above, vast open tundra stretches toward the frozen coastline, while countless lakes shimmer beneath enormous northern skies. During autumn, golden grasses blanket the landscape, while winter transforms the region into a brilliant white wilderness extending as far as the eye can see. Every flight reveals the immense scale of Canada's north. Churchill has become internationally recognized for its remarkable wildlife. Polar bears, beluga whales, Arctic foxes, and countless migratory birds have made this remote community one of the world's most celebrated destinations for observing northern ecosystems. Every season offers a different encounter with the natural world. As darkness falls during the colder months, another extraordinary spectacle begins to appear. Curtains of green, purple, and crimson light dance across the northern sky as the aurora borealis illuminates the Arctic landscape. Beneath these vast skies, visitors experience one of nature's greatest displays. Our final destination takes us south to Prince Edward County, Ontario, where rolling countryside meets the shoreline of Lake Ontario. Historic villages, vineyards, quiet beaches, and fertile farmland create a peaceful landscape that feels far removed from the country's larger urban centers. From above, vineyards stretch towards sparkling lakes, while country roads wind between orchards, historic farms, and charming villages surrounded by open countryside. Gentle shorelines and sandy beaches complete one of eastern Canada's most picturesque rural landscapes. Every aerial scene celebrates space, light, and tranquility. Prince Edward County has become known for its thriving local food culture. Artisan producers, welcoming communities, and beautifully preserved rural heritage. Small cafes, local markets, and scenic cycling routes encourage visitors to experience the region at an unhurried pace. The landscape rewards those willing to slow down. One of Canada's greatest strengths is the remarkable diversity found between its regions. Atlantic fishing villages, Pacific islands, Arctic wilderness, prairie grasslands, mountain valleys, and lakeside communities each contribute to a national identity shaped by both geography and culture. No single destination can fully represent the country. Traveling beyond Canada's best-known attractions also provides opportunities to support local communities through family-owned accommodation, regional cuisine, artisan workshops, and community-based tourism. These experiences help preserve the unique character that makes every destination memorable. Looking across these remarkable landscapes, one conclusion becomes unmistakably clear. Canada's greatest beauty is not limited to the Rocky Mountains or Niagara Falls. Across oceans, forests, tundra, islands, rivers, and quiet countryside lies a nation whose extraordinary diversity rewards travelers willing to explore beyond the familiar. As evening sunlight settles across Atlantic harbors, Pacific rainforests, Arctic coastlines, and peaceful lake shores, the true spirit of Canada quietly comes into focus. It is a country where nature still shapes everyday life, where communities remain deeply connected to their landscapes, and where the most unforgettable journeys often begin far beyond the places that appear on the postcards.